Good evening, Kutis. Today we are gathered here for speaking one sentence. Okay. Are you ready, ma?
Yes, miss.
Okay. The girls team are A and the boys team are B. Now one girl ask any alphabet letter from A to Z. Boys, all of you say the sentence. Start, girls. Ask the question, pa.
B. Banana is yellow color.
Very good. Clap your hands. Now, boys, anyone can stand and ask the question for girls.
C. C. Cat sound is meow, meow.
Clap. Okay, but next girls.
D. D. Dog is sound wow wow.
Very good. Okay, now boys, stand up. Ask anyone question.
E. Elephant. The elephant is big animal.
Very good. Sit down, clap.
I. I like ice cream.
Very good. Next boys.
Yeah.
Say loudly, yeah.
Apple is red color.
Very good.
J. Jayamurugan is father.
Kavin.
W. Dance water as brown color.
Very good. Next.
K. Kitten is meow meow.
Sit down.
Y. Yak is the wild animal.
Very good. Are you enjoying this debate?
Yes, miss.
Okay, thank you.